In other news, after the Ondas weekend, passengers have flocked to the Parañaque Integrated Terminal Exchange, or PITX, citing a higher number of commuters compared to last year. More so, the terminal noticed a significant number of passengers from a certain region, describing it as a blockbuster. Our Bien Manalo has the details in this story.
Belen Binwag has been made it a tradition to come home to Baguio every year to observe Undas. That's her way of offering prayers and lighting a candle at the grave of her son who is buried there. She doesn't want to repeat the ordeal of long lines at the terminals every year due to the overflow of passengers. So she said it's better to book a ticket early to avoid the surge in passengers.
Nung pumunta ako dito, nagpabook na ako pauwi kasi sabi ko ng anak ko baka ma-traffic, wala akong masakyan. Mas makomportable kayong mag-book na lang kaysa magpila pa ka kasi mahabang pila, maraming pasahero.
Data from the Parañaque Integrated Terminal Exchange, or PITX, shows nearly 1.3 million passengers have set foot on the terminal from October 27 to November 2. That number is higher compared to the passengers' foot traffic recorded last year, which is also being attributed to the wellness break of students. According to the latest PITX record, passenger foot traffic at the terminal has reached over 109,000 today since this morning. The PITX management strictly prohibits the carrying of weapons, sharp items, toxic drinks, and flammable materials inside the terminal.
Blockbuster pa rin, Bicol region pa rin. Marami talagang bumabiyahe going there. Kasama na dyan yung mga Batangas, Laguna natin na biyahe dahil marami ring umuwi over the Undas weekend. Kumpara last year, marami tayong nakitang siksikan dahil marami nag-walk-in. Ngayon, mas prepared na yung mga kababayan natin eh. Na sila, book ahead of time. And then syempre, yung iba nating mga kababayan na nag-decide pa lang on that day na makapag-walk-in, nakapag-walk-in peacefully. So, ayun, smooth overall.
Due to Typhoon Tino, some trips to Eastern Samar have been cancelled. According to authorities, the situation at the terminal remained generally peaceful and they have not recorded any untoward incidents. Police and medical teams are also still on standby, ready to assist passengers. Meanwhile, PITX is also preparing for the expected rush of passengers during the upcoming Christmas season. Bien Manalo from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.